Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the lashes out of this Gollee lash set. I will link them down below. Last time I did the 16 and 14. This time I'm going to do the 12 and the 10. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So I'm going to start off, I have my clayless long-lasting lash glue. This is one of the best that you can actually get off Amazon. You can also buy these lashes off Amazon. That's where I did get both products. Okay, I'm going to kind of slightly bend the tip. And what I do is I look down. I actually need to buy some more lashes. I'm like running out of lashes right now. And I know you guys really do like these lash videos, so I do want to keep them coming. So that's how I usually put on the glue. Nothing fancy, just super easy. And I'll probably do 3 12s and then 2 10s. So let me go ahead. I like to kind of preset them out, kind of map them out. And it usually takes about 5 lashes to cover my eyes. I do have almond-shaped eyes. So what I do is I grab the lash to where it's going to be comfortable for me to apply them. And this glue gets sticky really quick. And all I do is place it underneath like that. They're super easy to apply. And if you just wanted to do like a cat eye effect, you could just apply these to the outer ones like that and just kind of leave it like that. You know what, I'm going to do one more of the 12, so I'm going to do 4 12s altogether. And I'm going to get a 10. And one more 10. So I actually did 6 this time. And you can see that's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and press these down. So as you can see, that is what it looks like once you're done. And then this is like looking sideways. So very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do this side off camera, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so that is what my lashes look like completed. They're so pretty. So you can see, this is actually a really good brand. It's very affordable. I did get a couple sets from them that I've reviewed on my channel. These ones are not as quite as long. I do like the length of the 12s on me. I think that it's perfect. And then the transition, I do wish that they had a length between the 12 and the 10 because it's such a big drop. Like you can see the difference. But it still looks pretty nonetheless. So if you guys like these type of videos, please don't forget to like this video and comment in the comment section down below if there's any videos that you would actually like to see me do. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.